Hello students, today we are going to learn examples in practice set 7.2. Now first example is the radii of two circular ends of frustrum shaped bucket are 14 cm and 7 cm. Height of the bucket is 30 cm. How many liters of water it can hold? We have given 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now suppose this bucket is of this type. Shape of bucket is a frustrum. Radii, we have given radii of two circular ends. Suppose this radii is 14 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter and height is given 30 centimeter. Now by using this is frustrum shaped bucket. We have to find how many liters of water it can hold. म्हणजे आपल्याला याचं काय काढावं लागेल? व्हॉल्यूम काढावं लागेल. Now first write down given here given values. Let R1 is equal to here R1 is equal to 14 centimeter, R2 is equal to 7 centimeter and height is H is equal to 30 centimeter. Now write down formula volume of frustrum. Now volume of frustrum shape bucket is equal to. Now we know formula volume of frustrum. Now it is volume of frustrum 1 upon 3. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now here 1 upon 3 pi h into now r square, put value of r square, that is r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now this is the formula for volume of frustrum 1 upon 3 pi h into bracket r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now put values is equal to 1 upon 3, value of pi is 22 upon 7 into h is 30 into bracket r1 square. What is value of r1? 14. Therefore 14 square plus r2 is 7 square plus r1 into r2. R1 is 14 into R2 is 7 is equal to, now here dividing by 3, 1, 0. Take multiplication 20 into 10, that is 220, divide by 7 into bracket. Now takes what is 14 square, 196 plus square of 7 is 49 plus 14 into 7 is 98 is equal to 220 divided by 7 into. Now take its addition 8 plus 9 17 plus 6 23 carry 2 plus 9 11 plus 4 15 plus 9 24 carry 2 2 plus 1 3. Now dividing by 7, 4, 9. Therefore is equal to 220 into 49. Now take its multiplication. Multiplying by 49, 49 into 0, 0. 49 into 2, 98, carry 9. 49 into 2, 98 plus 9, that is 107. Now this is the centimeter cube. Unit of this is centimeter cube, that is volume of frustum shaped bucket. Now we have to find, we have to write down this volume, how many liters of water it can hold. We have to change this in liter, therefore divide this by 1000. Therefore is equal to 10,780 divided by 1000 liters is equal to 10.780. The zero get cancelled. Therefore 10.78 liters. This is volume of frustum shaped bucket. Therefore what is the answer? Therefore how many liters of water it can hold? Therefore the bucket can hold 10.78 liters of water. Therefore, the bucket can hold 10.78 liters of water. पहा एक्झाम्पल कसं सोडवलं आपण. अगोदर दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू लिहिल्या, रेडियस R1, R2 आणि H. नंतर फॉर्म्युला लिहिला, व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्टम शेप बकेट is 1/3 pi h into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Now put values ठेवल्या. Pi is 22/7, h is 30, 14 square plus 7 square plus 14 into 7. हे सॉल्व करून याची व्हॅल्यू आली 10,780 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. त्याला आपण लिटर मध्ये चेंज केलं. Therefore dividing by 1000 किती 10.78 liters. Therefore the bucket can hold 10.78 liters of water. This is the answer. Now question number 2. The radii of ends of a frustum are 14 cm and 6 cm respectively, and its height is 6 cm. Find its curved surface area, total surface area and volume. We have given value of pi is 3.14. Now first write down here, write down given. We have given radius, that is R1 is equal to 14 cm. Here R1 is equal to 14 cm. R2 is equal to 6 cm. R2 is equal to 6 cm. And height h is 6 cm. Now first we have to show curved surface area of frustum. Now we know formula. Curved surface area of frustum Now what is formula for curved surface area? Now we know curved surface area of cone is pi r L. pi इथं चेंज कशामध्ये होतो? R मध्ये होतो. Therefore pi L into bracket R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. This is formula for curved surface area. कोणच्या फॉर्म्युल्यावरून लक्षात ठेवा. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Therefore curved surface area of frustum is pi L. Change R मध्ये होतो R1 minus R2. Now curved surface area. Now first we have to find value of L. Suppose this is number 1. Now we know relation between L, R and H. Now relation between L, R and H is L is equal to square root of here R1 plus R2. Now L is equal to square root of R1 minus R2 whole square plus H square. Now put values. Is equal to square root of value of R1 is 14 minus R2 is 6 square plus value of H is 6 square. Therefore is equal to square root of 14 minus 6 is 8 square plus 6 square. Is equal to square root of 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36 is equal to square root of 100. Therefore, value of L is 10 centimeter. Taking square root, value of L is 10 centimeter. Therefore, put this value of L and R1, R2 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes that is curved surface area of frustum. Therefore, curved surface area of frustum is equal to, now put value pi is 3.14 into value of L is 10 into bracket R1 plus R2, R1 is 14 plus R2 is 6. Now write down here, therefore is equal to 3.14 into 10, that is 3.14 into 10 is, दोन्हीचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेतलं तर काही 31.4 into 14 plus 6 is 20. Now taking multiplication is 0 multiplying by 2, 8, 2, 6. Therefore 628. This is curved surface area, therefore centimeter square. Therefore, what is the answer for first? Therefore, curved surface area of frustum. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to 628 centimeter square. This is answer of first. काय केलं? दिलेली माहिती लिहिली. फॉर्म्युला लिहिला कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ फ्रस्टम पाय एल इंटू ब्रॅकेट R1 प्लस R2. त्यावर आपल्याला L ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. रिलेशन बिटवीन L, R and H is L is equal to square root of R1 minus R2 whole square plus H square. यांच्या व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्या. L ची व्हॅल्यू आली 10. Therefore equation 1 becomes, यामध्ये L ची व्हॅल्यू 10 ठेवली. Pi is 3.14. L is 10, R1 is 14, R2 is 6. या दोन्हीचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन 31.4 into 20. That 628 centimeter square. Now second, now number 2, we have to find total surface area of crustal. Now write down formula. Total surface area of crustal is equal to. Now what is formula for total surface area of crustal? That is curved surface area. Curved surface area is pi RL, that is pi L into bracket R1 plus R2. Pi L into bracket R1 plus R2 plus total surface area, area of base is the base 14, therefore on pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Curved surface area plus area of base pi R1 square and area of top, that is pi R2 square. Now from these three terms, which term is common? Pi. Taking pi common, into bracket L into bracket R1 plus R2 plus R1 square plus R2 square. Now put values. Value of pi is 3.14 into bracket. Now here what is value of L? L ची value आपण काढलेली 10. 10 into bracket R1 is 14 plus R2 is 6 plus R1 square, that is 14 square plus R2 square, that is 6 square, is equal to 3.14 into bracket 14 plus 6 is 20 into 10, that is 200 plus 14 square is 196 plus 6 square is 36, is equal to 3.14 into, take addition of this 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, 4 plus 9 13, carry 1, 2 plus 2 4. 3.14 into 432. Now we have to take its multiplication. 432 into 3.14. 8, 12, 2 carry 1, 70. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. 8, 4, 16, 15 carry 1. Therefore 1356.48, and this is total surface area. Therefore what is its unit? Its unit is centimeter square. This is the answer. That is total surface area of frustum. Therefore total surface area of frustum is 1356.48 centimeter square. And we have to find last volume. And number 3, volume of frustum. Now what is the formula for volume of frustum? Now we know formula for volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. इधर चेंज कशामध्ये होतो? r मध्ये. Therefore write down 1/3 pi h into bracket r square च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचं? r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2 is equal to, now put values. 1/3, now value of pi is 3.14 into what is value of h? H value 6 into bracket R1 square, that is 14 square, plus R2 square 6 square, plus R1 into R2, that is 14 into 6, is equal to, now dividing by 3, 2. Now taking multiplication, 2 into 4, 8 to 6, 6.28 into bracket 14 square 196 plus 6 square 36 plus 14 into 6 84. 6.28 into its take addition, 4 plus 6 10 plus 6 16, carry 1, 9 plus 3 12 plus 19 9, 21, carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 316. Now take its multiplication, 6.28 into 316, 8 4, 8 2 6, 8 14, therefore 1984.48. Answer is 1984.48 centimeter cube. This is volume, therefore centimeter cube. Therefore answer of this, therefore volume of frustum is equal to 1984.48 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Thank you.